Hi, today we're going to be making falafels, so if you would like to see, keep on watching. You will need the following: 9 garlic cloves, 2 onions, you will need some parsley and coriander, you will need salt, you will need some pepper, you will need paprika and cayenne pepper. You will also need bicarbonate soda, some cumin, chickpeas of course, you can use 2 tins, hummus, tahini paste, and a wrap or pitta. I ended up changing it into a pitta later on. First you want to add your onions into a food processor, add your coriander and add your parsley. You're going to put that on low medium speed and give that a blend before adding your chickpeas. So once that's all in, you will need to blend it again. Next I'm adding more chickpeas and garlic, and then I will add my salt, pepper, cumin of course, and paprika, not forgetting the cayenne pepper. That's the herbs done. Now we're adding some soda, and then we will be adding some plain flour, and that's really important so that the falafel all stick together. So I'm putting that back into the processor and giving that a blend and a mix. You might need to start a few times and give it a mix, and then pour it into a bowl until all your ingredients are processed. You can mix it with a spoon, but to be honest, it's easier done with a hand and all the flavors merge together. So that's what I'm doing. Make sure you mix it well, and what you want to do is put a lid on it and leave it in the fridge overnight and come back to it the next day. As you can see, it's slightly risen and changed in texture, and what we will do is make it into the shape that you want. I am making 2 shapes, the original ball. This is literally my hand movements, I have not sped this up, and I will make a few of those. And I'm also going to be making it in a flat shape as well to make it easy to just pop into wraps and pittas. As you can see, simply just make the shape you want, that will be easier for you. The balls I actually did in an air fryer, and the flat circles I did in a frying pan, so you can cook it any way you want. Anyway, here it goes into the frying pan, and you just want to make sure it's nice and brown and crispy, and then you can flip it over and it's done. Next I will be showing you how I like to eat it, which is in a pitta with some hummus and tahini paste. On that I'll be adding a little bit of yogurt and some mint chutney, any sauce you like. Then I'm going to add my falafel in there and add my salad. I grilled some tomatoes and then I added salad on top, and I went ahead and added some ketchup because I love ketchup, and that's simply it. It's so quick, easy and high in protein, and you can make it as a meal prep and you can freeze them and take them out whenever you need. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time.